Hi guys, so I have come up with a new video of Muscletech to review Muscletech. We'll unbox it, unpack it, and we will try it with the with water, and we'll see how it goes, the mixability and the taste of it. Let's check out the review of it. So you can see the box. It looks like this. This is how it looks like. So let me unpack this for you. So this is intact. Let me open this up. So now you can see how it looks like. So it looks like this. And we will check out how is the mixability. So this is the scoop of protein. Let's take this with water. I have water with me here, so let's check it. How is the mixability? So if you can see, let me cover this up and we will shake it. Let's see how it is. So you can see there is a foam because this is a ISO whey, so there will be a foam. It basically puffs up and we will taste it and see how does it looks. What do you see? So let's try this and we will take a sip of it and we will check how it is. So let's go and have a drink of it. Yeah, so I can get a tangy flavor, and since it's a blueberry, the blueberry taste is there with a pinch of lemon, and yeah, it's good for taste, nice for the taste bud, and yeah, nice. So let's see and wait for my next video, and keep subscribing my channel for any updates. You'll get it. Thank you. Bye.